In geology, there are many things visible, but before they happen, things that are invisible may already happening under the ground. In this case, seismic activity in the Etna, in the Sicily, southern Italy, in the Mediterranean Sea, was signaling a change from the dormant to the next stage, which is eruption. This is the Voragine crater, the summit of the Mount Etna. It has several summits. It's at the moment is one of the tallest ones. And we had the lava rising and erupting in this form that you can see. And the flow of the lava is quite rapid for the scale of the volcano, which is around 3 kilometers, 3,000 meters. And it has to come down at least 1,000 meters from the summit to the level that it can actually settle down. We may not reach the sea that easy unless it is a larger volume, but it reaches a lower elevations and will fill up the area around it. If it is eruptive very much, in this form of the ash, in the daylight we will see it, it may disrupt the aviation in the southern Italy, may close even the airports because of that. At the moment it's not reaching that stage, but during the daylight we may see that this happens. This is what you see, the lower part of the island where the town, the lights you could see on the top left. And here the lava flows. The lava flow eventually will cause, some of the summit, like this Voragine, become taller, or over time, as they erode, anything goes up has to come down. They will erode down. A next eruption will create another summit, which will be bigger. Voragine was bigger. Volcanova, that's another one, can be also erupted. You can see the daylight. The ash is rising. So this can be disruptive. This is one of those moments that I can describe as disruptive to the aviation. We issue alerts, and airplanes have to avoid those areas. I have many videos about this. I'll put one of them at the end of this video. You can watch them. And if you like, you can also help the channel. This is a lot of work involved in researching and also presenting these works.
Voragine in Italian means a cleft, a crack, a hollow, a pit in Italian. This is the name of the crater which erupted in the July and filled up the neighboring Volcanova crater, creating a highest summit now for the Etna in centuries. After I published this and made practically deciphering this, what we are seeing in the footages available in the photographs. Also, I'm happy that the Instituto Nazionale di Geofisica et Volcanology of Italy released these maps showing that my interpretation was correct. And you can see it here, the Voragine. And we have a cross-section through it actually showing the thickness of the lava during this eruption and after it. And it shows that the eruption at the 4th of July was actually at its peak. It created a new peak. And then on the 8th of July, it also created a higher peak than the previous record. That was 3 days ago. So at the height of the 3,300 I will show you 96 meters, I think, is now higher than ever. The Etna has a new summit. European mountain has grown to its biggest ever. And this is the way that the Voragine filled up the neighboring Volcanova crater. And practically, it doesn't exist as a crater. It's just adjacent flat field close to that. And my interpretation was correct in that sense. I made sense of what was available. Because the images we were seeing were wrong. The orientation was wrong. Somebody released this image without thinking that, well, what is the correct sense of this? Of course, in this space, we don't have a direction. The image was released the wrong way. Right orientation, I found it, that was the way, and I matched it with the available maps. This is the eruption as it happened, and you can see that we are having yet some activity in that area. This is the SAR image or radar image that you can see is in color now. And it shows the Volcanova getting filled up with this. And overspilling, you can see the effect of the overspilling. And it goes down from that area now. It was contained up to now, and now creating a delta down the Volcanova, which is now doesn't exist as a crater. Amazing. I show you the footage of the eruption as it happened. This is from one of my previous videos, and I hope that you will enjoy that. That shows it just with the sound, nothing else.